Now we're going to walk through how to handle an appointment request. Once a traveler requests an appointment, you'll receive an email notification from Sitata. Inside, there will be a quick link to log into the platform. Not only will you be logged into the system, the link will take you straight to the appointment request details. At this point, we can review some of the information given to us from the patient and the times that they prefer. So we know that they're departing on November the 8th for the UAE, which has a COVID test requirement of 96 hours before arrival. We also know the user was born in 1982 and is 38 years old. We have their phone number and their email address in case we need to contact them for another time. We have a couple of options now. We can click to accept one of the proposed times by the traveler, or after discussing with the patient on an alternative time, you can pick your own time. Let's pick our own time. At this point, the appointment has been confirmed. I now have the option to click on the appointment, view the details, and either cancel the appointment or finish the appointment. In order to finish the appointment and collect payments, you will need some more information from the patient, which you'll see in a moment. Once the appointment has been confirmed, you'll also receive an email notification. The email will summarize the appointment details so that you have them on hand. It will also contain a calendar invitation and a reminder to collect the user's QR code or PIN code to collect payment. We'll explain that process next. The patient also receives a similar email with the appointment details, including a quick link that helps with directions. Most importantly, the traveler receives a QR code and PIN code. This part is important. To collect payment, you will need to either scan the QR code or enter the PIN code when the appointment is complete. On the day of the appointment, all you need to do is find the correct appointment entry and finish the appointment. We have some options to help you. You can identify the correct appointment by name, date, and time, or you can elect to scan the QR code instead. So let's do that now. Any regular webcam will work for this process. You can even use your mobile phone or tablet device. After scanning the QR code or clicking on the correct appointment, you'll be back on the appointment details screen. All that's remaining is to click the Finish Appointment button. Again, you'll have the option to scan the QR code, or you can enter the appointment's PIN code instead. Let's pretend we're unable to scan the QR code and use the PIN code instead. Now the appointment has been completed and the payment transfer has occurred. It should be possible to see these details in your account settings. Let's have a look now. As you can see, the system has collected $25 from the traveler for the appointment that just occurred. And because we've connected our account through Stripe, we're receiving automatic payments directly into our account. So we can also see that a payment has been issued directly to the practitioner's bank account automatically. If you have any questions or concerns at any point in time, our support line is available in the bottom right-hand corner of the system. We'll do our best to answer your questions as quickly as possible. And that's it. As you can see, you're just a few clicks away from quickly processing appointment bookings in a cashless and secure booking platform.